Hey, what's up guys, JustCetic here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can download the Kinemaster Pro version for free in your Android. Fully unlocked Kinemaster version. So let's get started. First you have to open your browser. You can use any browser and open and write happymod.com. I'll give the HappyMod application or link in description below. Download the APK from here. Then save the APK file, and it will take some time to download for sure. It just depends on your internet connection. So yeah, the HappyMod application is downloaded. So press install from here by clicking on install button. And it will take some time for installing also for sure. So it's done. Now open the HappyMod application and write Kinemaster in search option. Press on Kinemaster and download the Kinemaster Pro video editor. Unlocked. So now when it will be downloaded, it will show a window like this. Wait for it, like this. And now press on install button. Now I'm pressing on it. So the installation process is finished. Then I will press on open, and now the Kinemaster is open, fully unlocked Kinemaster. Make sure that when you will be installing Kinemaster Pro version, switch off your internet connection, because if you switch on the internet connection, it will be updated and that will not work. So I've taken a empty project, and now I will click. See, it has a media button also. That is very rare in Kinemaster. So I'll take a layer and I will check the chroma key function of Kinemaster here. I will take a green screen layer from here, export, and this one. So now I will try to enable the chroma key and see the magic, guys. It's insane. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let's aim for 5 likes on this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.